Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS James, how are you? In this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Nissan Elgrand import version, and this one 2004 Nissan Elgrand. This car come in with a faulty head unit which was replaced about a decade ago, and yeah, currently we already fit in the full 9-inch touchscreen premium package, and that including the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto as usual. And because it's premium, so it comes with a very strong sound processor, digital sound processor amplifier, and it boosts up the sound very nice in the car after we already fit and tune up. And also we want to show that all the steering wheel control button over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the button here, connect very well into the system, and it's all functioning beautifully. Furthermore, we have 2 other USB stay hidden inside the glove box. So what else we want to introduce? Beautifully fit, beautifully sit, as usual as other 9-inch version for the Nissan Elgrand E51 that we have done before. So no difference between, but actually the premium one now make the dash look so much nicer and much more interactive with the driver. And here we go, you can use Google, you can use Waze, you can use other system, very easy. Yes, that's about Nissan Elgrand 2004 9-inch premium setup. And I would like to say thank you again for watching. Please click the subscribe button, we appreciate that, and we'll bring more and more video to you. Thanks again, have a good day.